Hello, thanks a lot for using discountlabs.com. In this short video, I will show you how to find a lab location close to you and also how to make an appointment in that location obviously, after you purchase or before you purchase. It doesn't have to be after you purchase a lab test with us. So you click on Find a Location. You scroll down to where it says click on the map, on this map, and that's where you're going to add your zip code. In this case, I will add Houston, Texas. There's a zip code there. And you'll see a bunch of locations in Houston. And you scroll down and you can actually see the addresses of those locations and which one is more convenient to you. Click again on Find a Location. If you say, okay, there's something close to my house. And then, as I said before, or after you buy the lab testing from us, you click on Make an Appointment. Then you're going to be sent to the Quest Diagnostics appointment website and click here on Schedule Appointment. You don't have to sign up or sign in here. You can if you wish, or you can create an account, but just click on Continue as a guest. Then click here All Other Tests. And once again, obviously, type your zip code. And then you're going to be looking at morning. If you're fasting, some tests require fasting, like CMP panel, lipid panel, cardio IQ panel. They just basically want you to be fasting overnight from 8 to up to 10 hours sometimes, depending on the test. And we have a blog article that actually describes which tests require what. But anyways, tomorrow, Thursday the 29th. February, this location has a few openings in the morning. 9:40 is the earliest. If you cannot make it to that one, you can keep scrolling down and see if you get lucky finding there's an 8:20 at this location, so it's a little earlier. Most labs open at 8 a.m. at least in Houston. In some other places maybe even 6 a.m. Okay, so if you find one, let's say 9 a.m. here on this location, you click here on Continue, and that's where you put in all your information: first, last name, date of birth, sex, address, contact information, your email, phone number. You can click here if it is your mobile phone number, and you can click here either if you want the appointment notifications to be sent by email or text or both. I usually click both. And the good thing about text alert notifications is that they'll send you a link that you can click when you are basically parking or parked at the location that you arrived at, and that way they know you arrived, so you're actually in the schedule, so that you don't have to wait too long in the lobby, which is a good thing. When you scroll down and you see insurance information, just click the person doesn't have insurance, because you already paid for the test with us, so there's no need to be charging your insurance for anything. All right, so that's pretty much it. And then you click Continue. I can't, obviously, because I didn't input all the information, but that's an easy one after you click here. So I hope this helped. I know it's a little bit of a long process, but it is required for legal reasons and for health reasons to require all these personal information to link it to your health and numbers, and not only numbers but the ranges, and depending on your age and your gender. I appreciate you using this kind of labs again. I'm the owner, Nelson Virgil, and if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to contact us in the Contact Us page, or email us at info@discountlabs.com. Thank you.